Dressing for success usually means wearing a suit. It's the uniform that's traditionally defined men's economic roles. And as men and women have achieved success in the world of work, they've done so in their power suits. The basics of the suit have been unaltered for over a century. Every suit has to look good on paper first. So a designer sketches a style. It's a creative process, but also a highly technical one. He plans the entire outfit right down to the last stitch. No detail is left to chance here. The design data is fed into this computerized cutting machine. The C-blade slices through the fabric placed under the paper. And because it's computerized, it's very precise, producing pieces that will fit together like a puzzle. The fabric used to be cut by hand. It was more time-consuming and less accurate. Fusing tape made of fabric is placed onto a sleeve piece. It's then sent to a heat chamber with rollers that will bond the tape to the material, giving it strength. Next, it's over to the sewing machine. A worker lines up 2 sleeve layers and it's hands-free from here. A rail powered by compressed air descends and guides the fabric under the needle. A computer controls the sewing. This frees up the operator to continuously feed the machine. This is an automated pocket welt machine. It makes, well, pockets. A jacket is placed under the clamp, along with the welt fabric and a pocket flap at the side. The clamp automatically slides the fabrics to needles that sew the welt and flap onto the jacket. Then, 2 tiny knives emerge and cut the pocket open. The result is a precisely made pocket completed by automation. The only human involvement is to feed the machine and then collect the finished product. At another station, an operator irons fusible tape onto the open seams. This stabilizes them and gives them a crisp finish. A worker places the front of the jacket on a headless mannequin called a buck. A hot metal press moves in, and the pressing reshapes the jacket to the contours of the buck. Now, she puts a sleeveless jacket on another buck and tucks a shoulder pad underneath. A pedal activates the machine and the hot presses lower, melting the glue on the shoulder pad, which fuses it to the jacket. Another jacket is on another mannequin, and a worker clamps down the sleeves. A big steam bag made of porous vinyl swings in, wafting steam onto the front of the jacket. At the same time, hoses pipe steam into the porous mannequin cavity, so this jacket gets a steam press from both sides. This machine is a collar master. The collar is folded into the correct position, and a fabric-covered metal press is lowered onto the collar to iron down the fold. Here, the auto-jig machine is making an extension piece to the second button for a trouser's waistband. This is the piece that goes over the second button on the waistband of dress trousers. It sews and cuts 2 layers of fabric that are held in the jig, and then feeds the excess fabric to a vacuum tube for disposal. Now it's time to make a crease in a pair of trousers. An operator slides the trousers inside out onto a double rail. Then, using a device similar to a caulking gun, she pipes a silicone-based liquid along the crease line. The liquid is a perma-crease mixture, which will give the crease some staying power. There's also a nib on the end of this gun, which sharpens the crease. All that stitching and steaming seem to have gone without a hitch, but the designer still needs to inspect the work to see if it measures up to his original concept. If adjustments have to be made, he marks the spots. After all, if the suit looks good, he'll look good. And you've got to look good to feel good.